In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a reservation on Airbnb. If you need to cancel an upcoming booking, Airbnb makes the process fairly simple, but it's important to review the details carefully before you finalize anything. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to check so you understand any refund or cancellation conditions before completing the cancellation. To get started, open Airbnb and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the account that was used to make the reservation. Once you're in, go to the trips section. If you're using the mobile app, you'll usually find this in the bottom menu. If you're on the website, look for it in the top navigation area. Inside trips, find and select the reservation you want to cancel. This will open the booking details page where you can review all the information related to that stay. After opening the reservation, scroll down until you see the option labeled Cancel Reservation, then tap or click on it to continue. Airbnb may ask you to choose a reason for canceling your booking. If that prompt appears, select the option that best matches your situation. This step helps Airbnb process the cancellation properly, so just choose the most accurate reason available. Next, take a moment to carefully review the cancellation details. This part is especially important because Airbnb will typically show you whether you'll receive a refund, how much that refund may be, and what the host cancellation policy is for that specific reservation. Read through that information slowly so there are no surprises later. You may also be asked to confirm that you understand any fees, refund limitations, or other conditions that apply. Before moving forward, make sure you're comfortable with what's shown on the screen. Once the reservation is canceled, the outcome will usually follow the policy displayed during this step. When you're ready, tap or click Cancel Reservation again to finalize the cancellation. After that, wait for the confirmation message on screen or the confirmation email from Airbnb letting you know the reservation has officially been canceled. If you're eligible for a refund, you can then check your refund status in your Airbnb account. Keep in mind that refund processing times can vary depending on your payment method and your financial institution, so it may take a little time before the funds appear. And that's it. That's how to cancel a reservation on Airbnb quickly and correctly while making sure you understand the refund details